Hello, kindergartners. So today we are going to do number 6 and 7 review. So that looks like this. This page and this page. So I'm going to remind you how to do 6 and 7, and then you're going to do both of those pages and turn it into your teacher. So to do number 6, remember to hold your pencil right, stick your kids in the back seat. You're going to lean your hand on your table, your desk, or whatever you're doing. We're going to slide down and around to pick up sticks. Slide down and around, but with a marker that works. Slide down and around to pick up sticks. And that's how we make the number 6. So, I'm going to do it again. We're going to start from the skyline, go down to the grass line, curve this number 6 back up. So just like that. So when you do that, you're going to make sure that this little guy here goes all the way back up to the dotted line. So you're going to take your time. You're going to trace all 6 of your number 6 on the first line. And then on your second line, you're going to do 6 more number 6s. That's a lot of 6s. So remember that when you do your own on that second line, you're going to make sure you have a space. You're not going to use a whole hand, but since I have a big line, I can use a whole hand. You're just going to use a couple of fingers. And you're going to do 6 across the bottom, going skyline to grass line. Your loop of your 6 is going to go all the way back up to the fence line. And then you're going to show 6 on the 10 frame. And remember, you're going to start here, work your way this way, and then you're going to come back this way. So you're going to have 5 across the top and then 1 here if you're doing that correctly. You are going to trace the number 6 word. You're going to tell me what number comes before 6 and after 6, and those numbers are both going to be your very best work. All right, so next we are reviewing number 7. Silly. Okay, so number 7 will look like this. So number 7 goes straight across the top and down to make a 7. So straight across that skyline, diagonal down to make your 7. Just like that. So just like all the other ones, it's going to go top to bottom, and that stick of the 7 is going to slant. So you're going to practice with your first row of 7s, and then your second row of 7s, you are going to do your very best. You're going to use good finger spaces. Uh-oh, that was not my very best. And if I don't do my very best, I can always go back and erase. So it needs to go across the top, diagonal down to make a 7. Skyline to grass line, slanted stick, do 6 of your own number 7s. You're going to fill in your 10 frame across the top, left to right, and then start again left to right here. Very best work for number 6 because you just reviewed it. Do your best number 7 and then show me what that next number is. All right, take your time, do your best. Remember, we always want to see your best work and we want to see what you've learned. And by showing us your best work, that's showing us that you learned something. All right.